Hey guys! This week we are bringing you the most basic, easy, delicious and of course healthy pasta recipes. If you have pasta on hand, go directly to the first step of the recipe. But if you don't, head over to last week's video where we showed how to make pasta from scratch with a few healthy ingredients at home. We'll also include the link in the description box below. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to cook our homemade pasta. If it's fresh, if you had just made the pasta, you can directly put the desired quantity in the boiling water with some salt and olive oil. But if you are using it from the freezer, let it thaw on the counter for about 20 to 30 minutes before cooking. Now let's say if you are using the store-bought ones, just follow the package instructions as it's different for every brand. For our homemade pasta, it should take around 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Just pinch and check in the middle. Once the pasta is well cooked, drain the water and keep it aside. Now let's make our veggie base. Take a wide shallow pan on medium heat and add a tablespoon of oil. To this, add finely chopped chilies, yellow peppers and red peppers and give it a good stir. Try to add vibrant colored veggies to your food as often as you can to get a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. Next comes our mushrooms, thinly sliced, and add a bit of salt to draw the moisture quickly. Adding corn at this point is good as it has enough water from veggies to cook. The veggies I added here are rich in vitamins like C, folate, biotin and niacin. Together, these give you high antioxidants, which in turn helps you with immunity along with other body functions. Speaking of immunity, let's spice this up a bit by adding dried parsley, oregano and ground pepper. Just be creative and adjust these according to your liking. Once the veggies are well coated with these herbs and spices, it's time to add our cooked pasta. Give it a good stir without disturbing these strands much. You can just serve as is, or you can choose to follow one of our signature sauce pasta recipes which has a tangy base along with the wide flavors. Let me show you how. Basically divide this into two parts. In one of the parts, I'll add a cup of white sauce. The link to this recipe is in the description box below. Give it a good mix and turn off the stove. This pasta is so creamy, luscious and delightful. Now let's see what we can do with the second part. Just bring it back to the stove and add 4 tablespoons of marinara sauce. Again, recipe for this is in the description box below. Add a splash of water to get a good saucy consistency and turn off the stove. This super simple pasta is slightly sweet, tangy and has an Italian touch to it. Try these and let us know which sauce version you like the most, and see you guys next week with another healthy video. If you are enjoying our videos, please like, share and do not forget to leave your comments.